ripping, man. Kind of disappointed. I lost about like 6 minutes of driving footage. Phone cut off, so I was kind of irritated about that, but I guess we can make it work. And there was no cars in front of me, so I was just like ripping this thing. Oh shit. Park over there. I left my brother and Luigi. I'm gonna just wait here till they catch up. Probably park over there and then probably drive back. So, man, this thing rips. I love how it performs. And here they go right here. They pulling up. They finally catching up. I was gone. Man, this is fast, man. This thing rips. I love it. I freaking love it, man. Oh, man, let's get it. Bro. Crazy. Bro, this shit rips. Bro. This motherfucker rips, bro. The handling is so crazy. I heard you scraping this shit, was you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, let's see.
It's already like
was hearing it scraping and shit.
It was already scraped up.
Yeah.
It was already scraped like this. But
You good? It's just.
it was already like
That's
that.
part of it, bro.
Yeah. Damn, bro. I was fucking ripping,
Hey,
bro.
I would have been right behind you, but bro,
Yeah, exactly.
slowing down.
Yeah, no, I was hearing scrapes. Matt, the first 6 minutes of my driving, shit was not recording something. One of my CarPlay shit fucked my settings up. So I had to take my phone and record one hand smashing. But man, this is fucking lit. Zon is low life for real. My bro cannot drive his car in peace. It's one thing after another, but he got that Tommy under his.
It's too low.
It's too low.
The car is too low. Keep scraping.
Yeah, you gotta. Yeah.
You gotta really like drive at like
You gotta you damn near gotta put it up to stock height, bro, damn near, for you to really enjoy it, cause you can't do nothing. It's too low.
I haven't raised it up yet.
Yeah, if I was you, I would just raise it up, bro.
Like a 2-finger gap.
Just raise it enough where it's like it looks good, but so you can be functional, cause you can't do shit.
Like 2 fingers.
Yeah, this shit was fun, man.
GoPro was on.
No, I was using my phone. I had the mount on the back window, but it was recording for a minute, and then something happened with my phone, and it didn't record nothing. So I had to take the shit mid-driving and hold it in one hand, just risk it all. But yeah, this was fucking lit, man.
Yeah.
How was it though, driving besides the scrapes?
It was fun.
Yeah, that's just can't. I know, I feel you. Whew.
You about to dip right now or not?
Yeah, we can go back that way, or how do I never went too far, so I don't know what's on the other end.